What's up, everybody? We're here in JPM. We're doing the team random for the first case of SYP Pristine. We're going to go live. Landon, I'll reply to you in a second. We are live at 3:25. 3:25. We're Mountain Time, so that's 5:25 Eastern. We got the team list here. All the names here times 3. So I took Vegas out. I don't have any Vegas cards, unfortunately, to put in the product. So it's just back to the 30 teams. So we're going to random this list. Hopefully we have 30 items on the list. If there's not 30 items on the list, then I screwed up. I'm going to still post the video, and then I'm going to see where I went wrong. But hopefully there's 30, and hopefully there's 30 on here. We're going to go 3 times on each, and then whatever you match up with is the teams you got. 1, 30, success number 1, 2, and 3. We got Grant on top and Adam on the bottom. We'll post you in here. And now for the teams. 1, 30, good. 2, and 3. Montreal on top. Pittsburgh on the bottom. So Grant, you got Montreal. Jason, the Rangers. Adam, the Devils. Clancy, the Hurricanes. Adam, you got Calgary and Nashville. Brian, Florida. Clancy, the Islanders. Patterson, you got Winnipeg. Brian, Philly. Jason, you got Anaheim and St. Louis. Matthew, you got Vancouver. Jason, Ross. You got Ottawa. Adam, Chicago. Ross, San Jose. Patterson, Tampa. Ross, Minnesota. Edmonton, and Toronto. Boom. Clancy, the Sabres. Ross, the LA Kings. Smith, Arizona Coyotes. Ross, Bruins, Avalanche, in Washington. Adam, the Stars. Matthew, the Red Wings. Hey, how are ya? McDonald, the Blue Jackets, and Hodgnowski, the Penguins. I'll copy and paste the list in the thread.